In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Canva Instagram posts. First, open Canva and search for Instagram post. This will bring up the standard 1080 by 1080 pixel canvas, which is the perfect square size for your feed. You can pick a ready-made Instagram post template from the results or choose a blank canvas if you want full creative control from the start. Next, select or create your template. Canva offers thousands of professionally designed options, and you can filter by style, theme, or color to match your vibe. Look for layouts that complement your message: clean for quotes or announcements, bold for promotions, and image forward for lifestyle content. If you prefer starting from scratch, keep in mind that the square format benefits from clear hierarchy and generous spacing, which we'll set up in the next steps. Now customize the design. For text, click on any text box to change the font, size, and color. Aim for strong contrast so your caption is readable at a glance. Use a larger font for the headline and a smaller one for any subtext. Keep copy concise and align elements so the layout feels balanced. For images, go to the Uploads tab to bring in your own photos. Drag and drop them onto the canvas or into image frames. If you don't have a photo ready, open the Elements tab and browse free stock images. Choose high-resolution visuals, crop to highlight the subject, and position them so key details aren't too close to the edges. Enhance the design with elements. In the Elements tab, add shapes, graphics, stickers, or frames to guide the eye and create emphasis. Use them sparingly so the post stays clean. Repeat colors and shapes for cohesion and keep consistent margins around the edges for a polished look. If you have Canva Pro, take advantage of the brand kit. Store your logo fonts and color palette, then apply them with a click. This keeps every post consistent without recreating settings each time. Finish by editing and animating. Use photo adjustments like filters, brightness, and contrast to create a cohesive style across posts. Subtle tweaks go a long way. If you want movement, add animations to text or elements for dynamic. Short-form content. Keep animations smooth and minimal so they enhance, not distract. When you are ready to publish, click Download and choose a high-resolution JPG or PNG for crisp results, or share directly to your Instagram account from Canva by connecting it. That's it. Thanks for watching.